Hello and welcome, my dear friend. My name is Sarah, and I am so happy you are here. Today, we start something special together. For the next 30 days, you and we will practice English, slowly, one day at a time. Just 30 minutes a day, with me, by your side. And I promise you, after 30 days, you will start to speak English with confidence. So do not worry. Do not rush, just listen and repeat after me. Are you ready, my friend? Let's begin. Here is our first sentence. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Hello, how are you? Now the answer, I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Your turn. Say it with me. I am fine, thank you. Wonderful. Let's try the next one. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning to you too.
Good morning, everyone. And the answer? Good morning to you too. Good morning to you too. Beautiful. Let's continue. What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
What is your name? The answer? My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Say it with me. My name is, and your name. Very good. Next sentence. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Greece.
Where are you from? They answer, I am from Greece. I am from Greece. Now you try. I am from, and your country? Excellent. Let's keep going. How old are you?
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
How old are you? The answer, I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Say it with me, slowly. Wonderful. Next one. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you. And the answer? Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Beautiful. Let's continue. How is your family?
How is your family?
My family is very well.
How is your family? The answer. My family is very well. My family is very well. Very nice. Next sentence. What do you do?
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you do? The answer. I am a student. I am a student. Say it with me. I am a. And your job? Excellent. Let's keep going. Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little.
Do you speak English? The answer. Yes, I speak a little. Yes, I speak a little. Wonderful. Next one. What time is it?
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
What time is it? The answer. It is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. Wonderful, my friend. You are doing so well. Now, I have a small task for you. In the comments below, type one word. Type the word ready. This tells me you are practicing with me and you are ready to learn more. So pause for a moment and write ready in the comments. Thank you, my friend. Now, let's continue. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? The answer. I am feeling happy. I am feeling happy. Say it with me. I am feeling, and you're feeling. Very good. Next sentence. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? The answer. Yes, I am a little hungry. Yes, I am a little hungry. Excellent, let's keep going. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? The answer. I would like some water. I would like some water. Wonderful. Next one. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? The answer. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Beautiful. Let's continue. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? The answer. It is over there. It is over there. Very good. Next sentence. How much is this? How much is this? The answer. It is $10. It is $10. Excellent. Let's keep going. What day is it today? What day is it today? The answer. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Wonderful. Next one. What is the weather like? What is the weather like? The answer. It is sunny today. It is sunny today. Very good, my friend. Now, here is your second task. In the comments below, write where you are from. Write your country. For example, type, I am from, and your country. I love to see where all my friends are learning from, so write your country now in the comments, and let's continue together. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? The answer. Yes, I like coffee very much. Yes, I like coffee very much. Say it with me. I like, and your favorite drink. Very good. Next sentence. What are you doing? What are you doing? The answer. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Excellent. Let's keep going. Where do you live? Where do you live? The answer. I live in the city. I live in the city. Wonderful. Next one. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? The answer. I will write it for you. I will write it for you. Beautiful. Let's continue. Are you busy today? Are you busy today? The answer. No, I am free today. No, I am free today. Very good. Next sentence. Can I come in? Can I come in? The answer. Yes, please, come in. Yes, please, come in. Excellent. Let's keep going. Do you understand? Do you understand? The answer. Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. Wonderful. Next one. What does this word mean? What does this word mean? The answer. I will explain it to you. I will explain it to you. Beautiful. Let's continue. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? The answer, yes, I will say it again. Yes, I will say it again. Very good. Next sentence. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And the answer? You are very welcome. You are very welcome. Excellent. Let's keep going. I am sorry. I am late. I am sorry, I am late. The answer, that is okay. That is okay. Wonderful. Next one. What are you going to do today? What are you going to do today? The answer, I am going to study English. I am going to study English. Beautiful. We are almost finished. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. And the answer, see you tomorrow too. See you tomorrow too. And our last sentence for today, have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. The answer, you too, thank you. You too, thank you. Excellent work today, my friend. You did very well. This was day 1 of our journey. Tomorrow, in day 2, we will learn easy English sentences about your daily routine, how to talk about your morning, your work, and your day. So come back and practice with me again. Do not stop now. We are just getting started. See you tomorrow, my friend. Bye for now.